Hello, everyone. Here is our group project presentations. And now let me have an introduction to our teammate.
I'm 张兆和。
卢玉成 and 钱明浩.
And I'm shooting.
So here is a division of our labor. Mike creates the introduction and an overview of Sora along with the slide.
I created the flaws and barriers of Sora along with side.
And I create Sora videos and help adjust the slide.
I provide conclusions and references.
So here is a background project. Our background project is the introduction of the first like introduction of our topic. We work on video generation, AI Sora. So why we chose this topic? The first is the revolutionary technical breakthrough. Sora has made a great big breakthrough in a video generate. The second is spark heated discussions online. Sora sparked heated discussions online after its release. The third is simple operation method. Sora can generate a video with simple prompts. Its therefore is law for ordinary people. So what we have explained. We first we talk about what Sora can do. We explain what Sora can do. We talk about the practical application scenarios and make us videos as an example. The second, we talked about Sora's disadvantages, the technical barriers that AI is facing. Some threshold that Sora have. The third is the essential issues. Some AI generated videos face plagiarism issues. So the first part is introduction. In this part, we talk about this text to video model. We talked about these advantages and provide a variety of application of scenarios. More, we also create two videos by Sora as an example. The video was created by Xue Teng. So here is one a video.
Flaws and barriers of Sora. In this part, we talked about Sora's technical flaws in visual and physical. Also, we talked about Sora's practical barriers in access and compliance. Then we listed several possible actual scenarios and analyzed the root causes. This is of profound significance for our learning and analysis of GenAI, as well as its development and improvement. Then I will introduce reflection of the ethical issues. Although the AI has bring us many convenience, but the main issues include algorithmical bias and discrimination. Artificial intelligence system may perpetuate and amplify social bias. Privacy and data security are of vital importance because of artificial intelligence relies on a vast amount of personal information. The lack of transparency and the interpretability in complex models. We also create the black box problems, weakens our accountabilities. So that's the problems of the AI.
Here is our self-reflection. The first is idea generation. At the beginning of the project, I found that Sora is an interesting. I watched many videos created by Sora. The third one is background research. To make the video more easy to understand, I searched the information online and asked AI about it. The third one is use of GenAI. To make our video more interesting, I used the GenAI tool to improve our video. I used DeepSeek to help me with the text, and used Zuba and Venom to generate pictures. Use Labs to turn the text into speech. Here is also challenges. The first is the accuracy of AI generated content. Sometimes AI content is contains factual errors or unclear experience. This requires careful manual review and correction. The third is consistency visual style. Different AI tools may have inconsistent styles, resulting in lack of visual coherence in video. The third one is learning curve for tools. When we use some AI tools for the first time, it takes time to learn how they work, which can affect product's efficiency. I have also learned some lessons and have some insights. The first one is human collaboration is a key. AI greatly improves content production efficiency, but human oversight and creativity are still independent. AI is best used as an assistant, but not a complete replacement of humans. The third one is combine of multiple tools. Different AI tools have their own strengths. What we need to do is to combine the different tools and use it. The third one is timely feedback and iteration. Collecting feedback multiple times during production and using AI quickly adjust content can greatly improve the final project.
Following are my self-reflections. The biggest challenge in creating my part was comprehensively evaluating Sora from multiple perspectives, including the developers, publishers, and users. Then identifying shortcomings in technology, operations, and usage. And finally, categorizing, summarizing, and accurately describing them with examples. Use of GenAI. I used Dobo to help me collect and summarize information and generate appropriate text structure and background images. Critique and inspiration. Clearly define the functions, features, advantages, and disadvantages of various GenAI tools, and just use this strategy accordingly.
Then it's about my reflections. First, the use of AI has indeed lowered the cost of creation, but in doing so, it risks replacing genuine human innovation with efficient yet offer original outputs, potentially satisfying originality and depth in the creative process. And second, from AI written articles and medical images to fertilized media posts, the use of AI tools can diminish content authenticity. This makes it hard to discern truth, potentially spreading misinformation. And the last, the widespread adoption of AI may inadvertently inadvertently discourage deep thinking, as people increasingly rely on algorithmic outputs rather than engaging in sustained critical reflection and intellectual explorations.
And for me, this is my self reflections. And first, I wait for my partner to create a role framework, and then I come up with the idea to ending corresponding through AI to a few suitable parts of the outline. And I do some background research. I search how to write a good storyboard online and reference some research topic. I use Sora AI to generate the videos I need. But here I also meet some challenges. Sometimes Sora AI cannot generate the video results I want. For example, at the end of the video, the Kitty's uh, generates a video that Kitty say thank you, but it often failed to generate and for multiple times, and the footage was quite off topic. What I learned and what I learned in this lesson and what I gain uh, was that AI can bring us many convenience, but it's also a double-edged sword. and should be used with caution.
Okay, that's our group presentation. Thanks for your listening.